Right now, a silent revolution is happening on social media. TikTok and YouTube are being taken over by faceless 3D shorts, videos that rack up millions of views without ever showing a face. But here's the shocking truth. While a handful of creators are exploding overnight, the majority of people are completely missing this wave. They scroll past these shorts, never realizing they could be the ones making them, and cashing in on the views. And the best part? Creating these videos doesn't require expensive tools, complicated editing, or hours of work. In fact, with the right process, you can produce a complete faceless 3D short in less than 30 minutes, using nothing but free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. From writing scripts that keep viewers hooked till the very last second, to generating a realistic voiceover that sounds like it came from a studio, and finally, to producing consistent, scroll-stopping 3D visuals that bring your story to life. Because here's the reality. Trends come and go, but faceless 3D shorts are only getting bigger. And if you don't take action now, you'll be watching everyone else ride the wave while you're left behind. So stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could be your ticket into one of the most powerful, untapped opportunities on the internet right now. The foundation to any successful short video is the script. Without a good script, your video is just noise in the feed. But with the right script, that's where the magic happens. After spending hours digging into what actually works, I found one style that outperforms almost everything else. Funny stories that end with a moral lesson. Think about it. People love to laugh, but they also love to walk away with something meaningful. It makes the story stick. That's why creators use it again and again. But what if you can't write an engaging stories like me? No worries. After some chats with ChatGPT, I finally write this prompt, which will save you hours of thinking about an engaging story. The prompt says,
I want you to write 10 funny stories with a moral lesson at the end. Write in a narrative storytelling style, like telling a short scene. Use clear, simple language with...
Well, it's available in the description. Check it out after watching the video. Paste that into ChatGPT, and instantly, you've got 10 unique stories waiting for you. Each one comes with a different theme, like schools, restaurants, vacations, family moments, and many more. That means you'll never run out of fresh content. For this video, I picked the second story, but you can choose whichever one matches your style. Now, the script is only half the job. We need visuals. This is where the fun starts. Copy your selected story and paste it on a new chat. Below it, paste this prompt. ChatGPT now gives you image generation prompts, basically scene-by-scene description. You now have to copy each prompt and paste it into your favorite image generation tool. Personally, I recommend Whisk AI because it allows you to generate consistent characters. That's super important because if Grandpa looks different in every scene, your audience gets distracted. Paste your image generation prompts one by one as seen here till the very last prompt. Now to create a consistent character, click on the 3 lines and you will see the option that says Subject. Click on Upload Image and upload your reference image. Now go back to your prompt and insert the word subject for the person you are referring to. And just like that, your consistent character is ready. Repeat the process for all your consistent characters. Of course, not every AI image comes out perfect. Sometimes you'll get little issues. Like in my case, Grandpa's eyeglasses showed up on his eyes, even though the story clearly said they were resting on his forehead. Now, if that happens, don't panic. Seriously, it's part of the process. With the new Nano Banana AI from Google, you can correct that, as you can see here. If you don't know how to access Nano Banana, check out my video where I show you how to do that in very easy steps. Alright, we've got our story, we've got our images, now we need a voice to bring it all to life. There are plenty of great options. Minimax Audio, 11 Labs, PlayHT. The important thing is choosing a voice that feels natural and engaging.
During Sunday dinner at the Johnsons' house, Grandpa lost his glasses again. He searched the living room.
I used the expressive narrator on Minimax Audio to create the voiceover. Just select the voice, paste your story, and click Generate. Now comes the part where it all comes together. I use CapCut, which is free and powerful enough for everything we need. Import all your generated images, then drop in your voiceover. Match each image to the exact line of the narration. Timing is everything. It keeps the video smooth and entertaining. Transitions and other things are totally optional. You can add simple fades if you like. The one thing I absolutely recommend is caption. Captions keep people hooked, even if they're watching with the sound off. And based on my interest, videos with captions get way higher engagement. And that's it. From a simple prompt to a fully finished video that's funny, meaningful, and ready to go viral.
During Sunday dinner at the Johnsons' house, Grandpa lost his glasses again. He searched the living room, under the table, and even inside the fridge. "Everyone, help me! Without my glasses, I can't see my meatloaf," he said dramatically. The family scattered to help. Uncle Dave checked the sofa cushions. Aunt Lily searched the bathroom. Little Ella looked under the dog. 10 minutes later, Grandma pointed at Grandpa's forehead. "Honey, they're right there." The entire table burst out laughing. Grandpa pulled his glasses down sheepishly. "Well," he muttered, "at least they weren't in the mashed potatoes this time." Moral lesson of the story: sometimes the thing you're searching for is closer than you think.